Alright, so now I'm ready to make solution C. Now solution C here is just the diethyl ether, but it's always going to have a little bit of water in it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to drain this out into a dry beaker. While that drains, let me grab my round bottle flask. So the diethyl ether here is going to contain a small amount of water just to the fact that we've been washing it with a whole bunch of water. So to make sure that we've gotten all the water out of our organic phase, what we're going to do is we're going to add some anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Now, lots of different drying agents, we just prefer to standardize, so we use magnesium sulfate a lot here. It doesn't take much. You don't want to add too much because everything that you add is going to trap some of that organic phase, so you're going to lose some of the yield. But you also want to add enough that you've removed all the water. So how do you know if you've removed all the water? Well, the big thing is, if I take it and swirl it, and the chunks don't stick together. So you see how they're kind of floating around in a circle, they're not binding. If there was still water in this organic phase, we'd end up getting them all clumping together, or we'd see kind of like this blob floating around. If you see that, start adding more magnesium sulfate and keep doing it until you get these crystals that aren't agglomerating. And now that we've got our phase dried, we're going to decant. All it means to decant is that you're just going to pour it so the magnesium sulfate stays behind. And now we've got our three solutions, A, B, and C. So we're ready now to see if we can start seeing what we found in each of the three phases.